in, out, in. Round, 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 round.
Come on, Charlie, show me what you're doing.
Fists, fists, fists.
You did
Do
a
it
great
again.
job,
I think you should do it
Charlie.
again. I think you should do it again. That was an awesome song.
Was that awesome?
There's
All right, how do I
Papa
find
Laney.
it again?
You go back and click start again. At the bottom of the video, there's an arrow.
Arrow.
Click right there.
Look for the Gummy Bear album with lots of music, videos,
Well, you can
and
do it on your own.
access.
Do it together? Okay. Okay, you do it. It's round and round. Go in and out. Can you go in and out? You go in and out. In, out.
Sweet Lane, you're just chilling.
She likes the music. I think Charlie should get this video for Christmas. His daddy would like listening to this.
This one. He likes this part.
This would make Diego look really.
Charlie, what about this one?
Hold on, Pumpkin. Hold on, Pumpkin. Hold on, Pumpkin. Hold on, Pumpkin.
Down, up and down, up and down.
Charlie's his answer.
Gets it from Nan. 25.
That's my girl.
Love it.
That's my girl.
That song is crazy.
What?
That song is crazy.
Nice.
You want to get down and dance?
You
Ooh.
gotta move your feet. You want to get down?
What's the matter, Pumpkin? Are you getting cold?
I think he was aware that he was somebody on camera. Come on, show me.
Get the kid a glow stick.
I know, right?
Relax.
I had Boom Boom Pow on earlier and he liked it, but Dad didn't. Dad doesn't want to hear it again.
I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd it go? Where'd the picture go? Yeah.
In the
Oh, I'm
master.
Charlie.
Is there bathroom downstairs?
Where'd the picture go?
Yeah, the one in our room.
Yeah.
They're doing it commercial.
Actually, in both those, the one with the crib room is only the only stand-up
We need
one.
to put together a talking play.
I'm sorry, it went away.
Do we know where that
Well,
is?
that's too bad. No more gummy bear songs. Okay, y'all to smile and stuff. Y'all look so tired.
Well, y'all looked white. I mean, y'all. Can we loan Nick a comb?
It does look pretty good.